Hi guys, just when we were all expecting GPT-5, OpenAI surprised everyone on the 12th September 2024 by announcing OpenAI O1, and this isn't just another model. O1 is focused on something really new, reasoning, and is the start of the O series and is taking things in a different direction than the GPT models we are used to. The first version, O1 preview, is already showing off impressive results on standard benchmarks in areas like math, coding, or even solving tricky puzzles. And without any further ado, let's explore how it works and some of its mind-bending use cases. And the first thing you will notice with O1 is that it takes longer to generate responses compared to GPT-4o, and this poll reflects the model's focus on reasoning. O1 spends more time thinking before responding, which helps it handle complex tasks like logic, math, coding, and science problems more effectively. And also, O1's superior reasoning is achieved through reinforcement learning. That means when presented with a problem, they produce a chain of thought before presenting the answer to the user, and in the process produce what are called reasoning tokens. These are like outputs that help the model refine steps and backtrack when necessary, which allows it to produce complex solutions with fewer hallucinations. But the trade-off is that the response requires more time, computing power, and money. And here are some mind-bending use cases of OpenAI O1. So let's talk about coding first. For example, someone with zero coding experience managed to create a fully functional 3D FPS game in HTML using just a few prompts and in less than 10 minutes. And what's happening here is that the model walks you through the process step by step, making it super accessible for beginners. And if you have some coding skill or none at all, most people miss out on how easily you can grasp basic programming concepts and build projects with this tool. So for example, these men use OpenAI and Cursor Composer to create an iOS app in under 10 minutes. And by switching between these tools, he built a fully animated weather app. This is very huge because not long ago building an iOS app would have cost thousands of dollars and require a skilled developer. And now anyone can do it with step-by-step guidance and high accuracy. And this really opens up coding to everyday users, not just the professional. And another powerful application is in business, and honestly, this is one of the most underrated uses of the model. So when making business decisions, there are so many factors to consider, and this model excels at weighing them all. And most people don't use it this way because they're not business focused, but if you are thinking of starting a side hustle, this model can be a fantastic business advisor. So for example, when OpenAI O1 was released, Sumir Haddad initially criticized its performance on complex problems. But after refining his prompts, he quickly changed his mind. And the model gave him a complete crisis management plan with strategies, estimated budgets, and insight he hadn't even thought of. And it's not just for established businesses. Even if you are starting something new, the model can analyze your personal situation and give you insights you might have missed and compare your situation with others. And at this point, people are starting to see just how smart these models really are. But it's very tough to understand their full potential if you are only using them for basic tasks. And even if you're not running a business, experiment with it. It could help you validate a side hustle idea or even offer advice for a friend's business. And hopefully this video gave you a clear idea of how you can use OpenAI O1. It's a very smart tool, and while figuring out the right prompts might take practice, once you get the hang of it, you will see how powerful it can be. And if you have got any thoughts on how others can use this model in everyday life, drop them in the comments down below. I would like to hear your ideas. And don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video.